Introducing the PZA series of high-precision Z positioning actuators from PBA Systems, engineered for reliable and accurate vertical motion in semiconductor manufacturing, precision assembly, and inspection systems. The PZA-H is designed for applications requiring high accuracy. It supports payloads of up to 20 kilograms, delivers repeatability of ±0.5 micrometers, and accuracy of ±1 micrometer. Its in-position stability of ±30 nanometers ensures steady operation even in demanding environments. The actuator also achieves straightness and flatness of ±1.5 micrometers, with yaw and pitch accuracy of ±5 arc seconds. For applications demanding ultra-precision, the PZA-U takes performance further. Supporting payloads of up to 7 kilograms, it offers repeatability of ±75 nanometers and accuracy of ±175 nanometers. With in-position stability and minimum incremental step size of just ±5 nanometers, the PZA-U provides precise control at the nanoscale. It also achieves straightness and flatness of ±1 micrometer, with yaw and pitch accuracy of ±5 arc seconds. Both actuators are powered by the DXF ironless direct drive linear motor, delivering ultra-smooth motion with low velocity ripple of ±0.1% at 50 mm per second. The ironless design eliminates cogging, ensuring jerk-free vertical movement for optimal positioning accuracy. Each unit features a cross-roller bearing for rigidity and stability, and a pneumatic counterbalance for safer, more efficient vertical motion. Finally, both models feature a compact and customizable form factor, making them easy to integrate into multi-axis systems. Optimized for semiconductor and other precision manufacturing environments, the PZA-H and PZA-U is ideal for semiconductor inspection, optics production, fiber alignment, and other high-accuracy applications. Discover the performance of the PZA series of high-precision Z positioning actuators at www.pbasystems.com.sg.
When motion makes the difference.